back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So I gonna create Navastra for 9 days of Navratri festival. So this is the premiere video of that series. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video and upcoming videos. So happy Navratri all of you. Advance happy Navratri all of you. In Vijayawada, the goddess Durga has created 9 days of Navratri festival. So I gonna create that theme. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video, and I hope you are all like these videos for Navastra 9 days look, 9 days different looks. So I plan to do 9 colors of festival. So I wear 9 colors and 9 makeups and 9 different types of hairstyles. So let's get started. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all of you. Bye.